Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have been doing awesomely great. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my delicious akwu stew recipe. You guys know I have a lot of akwu stew recipes on my channel, but I have different ways and methods I go about my stew, my soup, and so on. If you want to know how I did it specially, come on guys, let's watch this video. Eating it with beans and rice. So I've gone in with my rice and beans. What I did was to parboil my rice as usual, and then I parboiled my beans, allowed my beans to cook halfway. So now I've added the rice into the pot, add the beans, add a little salt. I'm just going to close it up and allow it to cook until it is ready. So for my Ofe Akwu, I'm using fish, and the fish I'm using is Titus fish. You can also call this mackerel fish. I like mackerel fish a lot, so I have craved for mackerel fish and I'm going to be using mackerel fish. I'm going to roast it up. I'll cut it into some pieces and then I'll bake it and then use it. I'm also going to be using stockfish, which is the major ingredient for Ofe Akwu because it gives it that scent. You know that Ofe Akwu scent before the chong. Yeah. So guys, I'll get this ready. I'll be showing you things one after the other. I have some guinea fowl. I'm also going to be using some guinea fowl. So we're using mackerel fish, stockfish, and guinea fowl. I like to parboil my chicken, my beef, my fish. Like you're going to see what I'll do to the fish. I'm going to parboil the fish before I grill it. You can also do this if you think it's right. We do this because of the preservative and all of those food that comes to America. You really don't know how they came. So we are just trying to eat carefully. So I'm going to put my fish in here. The chicken is out. I'm going to boil the chicken or boil it together with the stockfish. And here I've gone ahead to cut my fishes right well. Cut your fishes into whatever size of your choice. Take off all of these fish fins and all of those intestine. If you leave it in your fish or if you leave it in your soup, it's going to make it bitter. So try and make sure you take this out. I'm going to throw this inside the pot because I want it to rinse out all those bad smell. You know Titus fish comes with a very bad smell. Like you won't be able to eat it. For me, I won't be able to eat Titus. I go through my Titus fish this way so I can be able to enjoy it after grilling. So I'll put this in the hot water. Allow it to sit there for just 5 minutes or 7 minutes and then I'll bring it out. So this is how it's going to look by the time you parboil your fish. You can also grill it at this point. You can decide to marinate and just throw it into your stew. This way you won't hear those bad smell in your Titus fish. And then all of the preservative will be taken away by the hot water. I have lemon here and I have lime here as usual. If you want to know how to clean your fish, go look up my channel. I have how to clean your fish this way. Mackerel fish, how to clean and grill. Look at it. All those blood is out. I don't like seeing blood in my fish or in my chicken. I like to get rid of it before I eat. Alright, so I'm going to take it out, put it in the oven so I'm going to go in with my Maggi crayfish, Knorr Maggi, and star. Add your onion. Some paprika. You can choose not to. These are the Maggis I use. This is Nigeria all the way, okay? Just for my Ofe Akwu to come out delicious. This is how I really want it. And this paprika is serving like hunger for me. But I don't really use hunger and all that. But for fresh items, I'm using enough onion. You need enough onion for your Ofe Akwu. I'm using fresh tomatoes. I'm using some yellow pepper. And I'm using Scotch bonnet. I'm going to wash this and blend. And this is what I'm using for my akwu. This is what you can use. This brand. I love it. Praise. I love it. I love it. So I love this brand. You can go ahead and use any brand of your choice. I'm using 2. I'm using 2 of this too. Okay, so I just added little water here and I'm scooping it into this bowl. I'll put it in the microwave for just 10 minutes just to release this thickening. It's too thick. And then at the bottom there's usually a little dirt, so you don't want to put that in your Ofe Akwu. Okay, don't want to put that in your soup. So keep mixing it and melt it until it is melted. Keep mixing until it is this consistency, so you can heat it up in a micro oven for just 10 minutes or thereabout, 5 minutes actually. So you now add it to your meat stock. So that's what I'm going to do right away. So guys, I left it for 10-15 minutes. So I added ogili. You can add as much as you want. This is the main ingredients for this Ofe Akwu recipe. Alright, I have ginger here also, so you can go ahead and skip anything you want to skip. If you don't want pepper, you can skip it, but we eat pepper in this house, but you can skip pepper if you don't want pepper. Okay, I'm going to blend all of this and add it to the pot. You can go ahead and add it directly to the pot. Just move it around, guys. Move it around. I'm going to go in with the akwu juice, guys. I'm going to add it into the pot. So go in with your akwu juice, guys, just like so. Look at the rubber. You're going to see some little bit of particles. All of those particles, you don't want it in. See what I'm saying? You don't want those particles in. So you stop at this point. Yeah, that's it. Mix it all together. Remember, you have your okpei and all of the rest of those beautiful stuffs. Now you're going to add your crayfish, so everything will cook nicely. Okay, my crayfish like so. Now you can cover it and allow it to cook for 10-15 minutes. We should be ready. Add the vegetable. Ofe Akwu is ready. Very easy, very simple, and very delicious, trust me. Make sure you stir together and adjust your seasoning. If you like to add more seasoning, you can go in. I don't eat too much seasoning. Okay, so this consistency for your Ofe Akwu is very, very good. This is a very good consistency. Some people like it runny. Sometimes I like the one like gere gere. My mother call it ofe gere gere. I make it very light sometimes, but this is what I want right now. Let's see, our fish is well grilled. Oh my goodness, look at that. I didn't add salt, guys, so you can choose not to. It still tastes very delicious. Try this, you will say thank you, Gucci's. Look at that. We're going to add this into our stew. We'll add this into our Ofe Akwu. Guys, so when you see your Ofe Akwu stew settles like this, like when the oil settles on top, it means that your stew is ready to go. So here I'm going to add the fishes and then add onion and vegetable, and that is it. This is so good. Right in the comfort of my home, guys. At the comfort of my home, at the comfort of my home. Guys, try and go about it this method. You will love it. Have you tried this method? Let me know in the comment section. Like, parboil your fish first. I can't hear one single smell of mackerel fish. Everything smells so incredible here. There's a way you go about your food and you will love that you did. Trust me. You have to really learn these things and try it. Just with a little amount of ingredients, try this so you can see for yourself and you will really love it. Are you loving this Ofe Akwu? It looks so delicious. It looks so beautiful. I have manchang, I have some bunk leaf, and I have onion. I'm going to go in with all of this into my Ofe Akwu. Do you know that the natural oil in Titus fish is amazing? You can't comprehend it. You just cannot. Mackerel fish has a lot of omega H3. Try it in your Ofe Akwu and you will love it. Do you like Ofe Akwu? Do you like mackerel? Do you like Titus fish, mackerel fish in your Ofe Akwu? I think I have this recipe somewhere in my channel, but I went about this in a different way. It tastes so delicious. That ogiri brought out a very delicious taste of this Ofe Akwu. If you're making Ofe Akwu and you don't have ogiri, what are you doing? The ogiri is one of the vital ingredients for Ofe Akwu. I'm going to show you how I'm going to be enjoying this now. Look at how beautiful. With that punk leaf, the chong, everything smells good. The meat is well cooked. This is incredible. The chong leaf, oh my goodness, it smells so good. There's enough onion. You need an onion in your Ofe Akwu. Onion is one of the vital ingredients also. The stockfish gave it a very good taste, and the aroma here is so divine. Try this and let me know in the comment section. Please guys, help me give this video a massive thumbs up. Share to your friends and loved ones. It's going to be very helpful. This is a delicious meal idea for your family, for Sunday. Special food for your family. You will love it. My husband never knew all of this food, but when I started making it for him, since we got married, he's been loving me and loving me and loving me. You see what I'm saying? Come on guys, let's eat. This is beautiful. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and please give me a thumbs up. To all our new wives, come on, run to Gucci's kitchen. Run to Gucci's kitchen and learn how to make delicious meals for your family. Trust me, homemade meals made with so much love and so much kindness. Honestly, those meals will work wonders in your body. Look at this Ofe Akwu, guys. Oh my goodness. Ouch. We ate this Ofe Akwu with fufu, we ate with rice, we ate with beans. We were eating with every kind of thing around. Like, it's so awesome. This soup is so delicious. Look at that. Oh my goodness. When you make this for your husband, honestly, why he no go love you? Why your hubby no go love you after this kind of delicious meal? Tell me. See the rice and the beans. It's so beautiful. I made it specially for my husband and for my entire family. You guys, come and eat. It's time to eat. Baby, food is ready. Guys, you can't know how delicious this is. My hubby is ready, guys. I just want to show you guys how you can enjoy this. Yum, yum, yum.